The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now first things first, I want to give a shout out to a person who goes by the name of Big Mouse from Raymond, Clarendon. You see it? Big Mouse, big up yourself, you see it? And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, I'm going to present to you two pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media that shows what happened when law enforcers from within the country of Guyana went to a place to stop vendors from vending on the roadside somewhere within the country of Guyana. This video shows a confrontation between persons who are said to be law enforcers and citizens within the country of Guyana. You see? Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at these two pieces of videos and tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in these pieces of videos, alright? And after I present these two pieces of videos to you, I will talk a little bit about these two pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, alright? Now, before I present these videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these two pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now, here are the videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
But I want you to remove from the market. No, but the point is that you got to understand. These are the people's livelihood. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
I come because they say that they want to give away my stand in the market.
Exactly.
What I just paid
Exactly.
for.
Exactly.
And that cannot happen.
And that is what we're talking about.
That cannot happen.
And they're saying the people are supposed to go.
You understand? They don't have place in there. They don't have nowhere. That is why I come out there. I just stand in the market and I want to give it away. I want to see them.
You have failed to put proper systems in place in that market. And because you have failed, you need to give them a grace so that they can ply their trade and live as Guyanese. You have failed. Guyana gave you instructions. Guyana gave you instructions to remove these people from the roadway. When Guyana is sitting high in his house and enjoying life. What sort of nonsense is this? The people gotta ply their trade. You never put place for them. You have to make provision. I understand the law. And I am in support of them moving. I am in support of them moving. This young lady is there and she's fighting for stand. She doesn't understand. No, these people, I met with them earlier. They don't have a stand. Where are you going to put them, Madam Chairman? Where are you going to put them? But you bring the poor police officers, you bring them with guns to put them in a position that they have to compromise their integrity to force the people off the road. What nonsense? Where are we going? Where are we going? What is it we do to our poor people, man? There's a government people on the people.
Now the people call for their stand.
These poor people.
I tell you, what I'm saying, I am standing in the market. No, I never understand that what I
Look at the situation. You bring police with guns to move the people. Police with guns. Democratic right people. Police with guns. Democratic right. I don't care who comes from what. These are the people who you elected. And these are the people who with no notice. With no notice. And putting the poor police officers at risk. Officer, you're hearing one section of the conversation. Everybody was not informed. Madam Chair, MOT, you informed and you kept to me the number from the black.
I got a papers. I have the papers to come. I got me turned home for my.
The point is, they were not giving me notice.
I wasn't here. This young lady gave me a stand in my police stand. My police stand.
This woman is exceptional. What happened with these people?
What I'm saying, this woman can't get
The market never sanitized this year. You never watched it this year. The market was never sanitized this year. How you put people in there?
Come on, man. I got me
ex sell market, buddy. I got me ex stand too. I got me stand too. I me sell market.
My damn lie.
It's wrong.
Any profession. We can go to the market. Officer, I want you to see where
What's the way put me?
No, it's market today. My point is, no, but you're coming to move them, but you don't know what nice about. You're supposed to tell them nicely. No, but that's what the chairman needs to understand. You bring police with guns.
They're like thief, man. People choke around me.
You bring police with guns.
so short. The notice was only
On a real still, you know, it's rough, you know. It's rough out there. John Moore said rough out there. So I say, the COVID-19 pandemic affected the whole world. See? And many persons lost their jobs. Many business places closed. You see me I say? In my point of view, many of us worldwide are just trying to survive. So me I say to you, so when I see videos like these pieces of videos that I just presented to you, I become concerned. You see me I say to you, yeah, it makes me concerned. You understand? It makes me wonder. You understand? Because you know, people just are trying to survive. You see me I say to you. Now, I only hope that the government within that country find somewhere to put those persons to continue do their business or to continue selling their goods or to survive, as also some persons might call it. You see me I said to you? You see me? The man that I see in the two pieces of videos, you know, the man that's saying a lot of things and him seems somewhat upset, you see me? That man made some valid points to me. You see me I say? Yeah. I'm not saying that I agreed with everything that the man said, you know. Yes, I say, but some of the things that he said, I think he made some valid points right there. You understand what I'm saying to you? So when it comes down to law and order still, viewers and subscribers, I think it is best to just obey law and order. You see what I said to you? Yeah. No matter which country you're in, you see me? Just obey the laws and the orders of that country. Understand me? Because I don't think it is going to be good for you to break any of the laws within the country. So if them say, hey, stop selling goods on the roadside, just stop. Yes, I say, and see if you can find a different way to continue do your vending or so forth. Yes, I say to you, I know it can be upsetting, you know. I know it can be frustrating. Yes, I say to you. But, you know, I'm just trying to give the best advice that I think is the best. Yes, I say to you? Yeah, because, you know, me dancehall skill, I only wish the best for each and every one. Yes, I say? You see? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Guyana that incident happened. Nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly when the incident happened. You see me? However, the two pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media that I just presented to you, they are being talked about on social media. You know, so I'm going to present these videos to you so that you can take a look at them. And you can also let me know what to think about some of the things that have been shown and said in these videos. You see me? Alright, and I think I'm going to leave it right there. You see me? So big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, and you know, wear your mask and protect yourself from the COVID-19. Yes, what I say? Try your best to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19. Yes, what I say? Yeah, follow the rules and the laws of your countries and so on. You understand? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.